Oopsie.
Oh yeah, the glaze is getting everywhere. Gosh.
Oh, this is so good.
Hi, welcome back to Screamin, Memein. I'm Kim.
I'm Sabrina.
Alright, and today we have for you, we're gonna try I've been calling it the donut chicken burger from KFC. I don't know what the official title for it is.
It's like the donut chicken sandwich.
Donut chicken sandwich? Okay. Alrighty, so we're gonna give that a shot. If you would like to see more videos like this, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you guys
subscribe
as well.
for watching. Okay, so I really wanted to try the chicken donut sandwich. I was so excited, but they don't have it in Las Vegas.
Yeah, at least not yet. We don't know if it's gonna come to us or not. So we kind of put our own little version together.
Yeah, too.
So we went and got the donuts separately, and we did still get the chicken from KFC to try to keep some authenticity there.
So
But
it's pretty much the same thing. You're eating chicken from KFC, which is what they're known for, and you're just eating it with donut as your bun instead. So I have mine. I'm gonna put some sauce on mine.
Yeah, like, this seems like it would be dry if you don't have some sort of sauce on there.
Let's just eat this. This is genius. I really like that they did this.
I got buffalo sauce for mine.
Yeah, I'm just gonna use some honey mustard. It's one of my favorite sauces.
I think I want to try like a bite without it first, and then try to see. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try that too. I'm gonna
See if it's like necessary to add sauce to it.
We got the chicken breast too, so it's gonna be massive. It's huge, as you can see.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Squish it down or something.
Yeah, I know. I feel like I do have to like mash it down.
Ooh, I'm getting the thing all. Ooh, oopsie.
Oh yeah, the glaze is getting everywhere. Gosh. It's still huge. Press it down a little bit. Okay. All right, here goes.
This is how it looks like. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's focused on your face, so you have to do it.
It's huge.
Anyways, I'm so hyped. Let's see.
It's messy. That's one thing for sure.
But it's good. I think because we got the chicken breast instead of the chicken pieces for the sandwich, it's a little thicker.
Yeah.
But
I was wondering if this would. I've never had chicken and waffles, but I was wondering if it would give off that kind of same feel just because of the sweet.
it kind of does. I've had chicken and waffles when I went to Roscoe's in California at the time.
Does yours taste better with the sauce?
I don't think I got to the sauce yet in my bite, but it's already good.
I'm gonna try a little bit. So let's see. See how this goes with the sauce on there.
Oh, this is so good. Got a piece of bone. Take out.
I like that with the with the buffalo sauce.
Now I'm eating it with the honey mustard. It is so good. Y'all gotta try this. If y'all haven't,
Yeah, it is. It's bomb. It's actually really, really good.
if y'all don't have it in your city, don't worry. Get yourself some donuts. Go to KFC and pick up a piece of chicken. There you go. Mm.
Yeah, it's just this combination of flavor, like the sweet and savory, just
Mm-hmm.
naturally
really
go
good.
together. It's really good.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
It's a little bit taxing to eat, but you know, like I said, if you're like really hungry, you're not even gonna care. You're just gonna eat it.
So good to me. Ooh, excuse me. Excuse me. Mm. But yeah, Kim and I, we're gonna do more mukbangs on this channel. Sorry I've been gone forever. And I was even thinking like we can do mukbang and movie reviews. Because Netflix have magically decided to start making some horrible movies. I was thinking it'd be fun or interesting.
Like
A lot of meat.
just their own like series or more of like B-rated type movies.
They're original movies.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I like the buffalo with it, especially because like hot sauce and like if you ever put honey hot sauce or something like that, honey with your hot sauce. I do that from time to time, depending on what I'm eating, so I like it that way too.
Yeah, that's why I like the honey mustard. When I think my face could be messy, but I don't care. It's so good.
Yeah, and this will get you nice and full too.
Mm-hmm.
Like it is a full sandwich, like huge.
I'm not even sure if they use like the chicken breast on it, you know, or if they use a smaller piece.
Oh yeah, like the original one.
But KFC, you gotta get this for let me turn the kernel around. You gotta get it for Las Vegas. People visit here a lot, so it makes sense. They want to try it here.
Mm-hmm. Now, is this like one of those limited things where it's like limited time offer?
I guess it's only released in a few cities right now,
Mm.
and it was going to be limited, but I think it should be a part of the permanent menu in all cities. They should at least like have it. If it's going to be limited time, it should be at most cities, at least.
Right.
I'm so hungry. Oh, excuse me. It spewed out of my mouth.
Now, I will say that usually I don't like wash my food down with anything until I get to the end. Like I
Oh.
usually eat and then I'll, drink everything after. But it's not that the chicken is dry or anything. At least, like, not mine. Mine doesn't
so
taste
much
really
meat.
dry. It's just, yeah, it's a lot. And, like, the bread from the donut can be kind of drying. So, like, I do find that, like, you sometimes, like, want to take sips in between. Sips of something, your water or whatever other drink you have.
You do. They keep getting pieces of bone. You just have to eat around it.
And we also got extra crispy too.
Yeah.
So if you like to have crunch in your sandwiches, I would probably recommend that. See if you can get extra crunchy, extra crispy
recipe.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. I'm gonna try and take out this bone so I can keep eating.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. It's all on top. That's what it is. Let me see. There we go. Sorry for being a messy eater.
It is just kind of messy in general.
Mm-hmm. Just our homemade one.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, the donut and like all my fingers are just completely covered in glaze.
Yeah, we got the donuts from our grocery store. And I like them because they're only glazed on one side. So.
Mm-hmm.
Which I'm thinking I should have had that side on the inside.
Oops. Little bone piece right there.
Mm-hmm. I recommend you guys trying it if you can. Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to like see how to get around. Yeah, get around like the bone piece that's there.
Yeah, I tried, but I had to eventually take it out. I think Vanessa would like this.
Probably, yeah, she probably would like it a lot.
As y'all can see, I only have this much left. I guess I eat fast sometimes. I guess when I'm really hungry, I'll eat really fast.
Yeah, I have to like break mine apart like you did.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to get all in there.
It's gone.
I think I got most of it out of there. Okay, so then the rest of the way should be fairly decent. But yeah, this definitely gets a thumbs up.
A plus. Excuse me, I'm burping so much because I don't really drink soda that often, so. It's a little bit messy, but that's because it's homemade and maybe they figured out a way to not have it like as messy. Maybe they wrap it in something. The real ones.
I noticed that also happened too, just because the size of the donut.
Yeah.
Compared to like regular bun, I still have like a pretty good meat to
bread ratio?
Meat to bread ratio. Like I was worried at first this top one was gonna disappear, but no. Still have a pretty good amount on there.
Yeah, pretty much it just replaces the bread or the bun part.
Mm-hmm.
But then you get like it's slightly sweet because the donut's sweet. But I wouldn't want to eat it with Krispy Kreme donuts because they're too sweet.
Oh yeah,
Krispy Kreme is like sugary.
Yeah, they are.
So, and actually, it reminds me of potato bread buns because potato they usually have like slight sweet to it.
Oh, okay.
So, whoever invented this, thank you. It's good.
Good idea. They probably thought it was a crazy idea, but like just take it and run with it, and it works. And I'm actually just getting like really full.
Okay. It's good. I wouldn't eat this on lunch. So you have to like clean up everything. At least not my homemade one. Are you done? Okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty much good. It was really filling.
Yeah, but yeah, you guys, if y'all want to check out, or at least try it out, and if it's not available in your city, just like we said, go get you some donuts, get a piece of chicken from KFC, and you're set. Pretty much any donut. I don't think it's going to be a special donut.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be some special name brand type donut or whatever. But yeah, do give it a try. It's actually really good. The flavors and everything go really well together. So
I would give this like a 9 out of 10 actually.
Yeah.
I liked it, and it's mainly because it's not the original, so I can't give it a 10 out of 10 just yet because they could.
Yeah, if they decided to bring it here, then
we would try that
and compare it. Yeah. But yeah, definitely let us know what else you guys would like to see. And again, go ahead and make sure you guys give that like button a click. Give that subscribe button a click.
Comment, subscribe. Yeah. And we'll see you guys in another video.
And if you have tried it, let us know what you think in the comments as well.
Thank you for watching. I see all the new people suddenly appearing. Hello. Welcome to our craziness. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.